Yeah, hi, in today's video we're going to be talking about Money App. Now this is an app that basically says what it does on the tin. You can generate cash just by doing a few tasks on that online. So we are going to actually use this. We're going to dive into this app really quick and go through it. I've been asked to do a review of this, but there is one problem I have, and I'll show you that in just a second. So if you're looking to make some extra cash online, then stay tuned right to the end of this video, because this is going to be one that you could possibly use. Okay, like I say, today is all about Money App. Okay, and it says here, complete simple offers and earn money. Okay, so today's video is all about the Money App, okay? And if you go across to moneyapp.org, this is all the information right here at your fingertips. Now, I've been asked to, quite a lot about Money App. We're going to go into how it works very, very shortly. But you have to just literally complete simple offers to earn money directly from your phone. So how it works is it's a very simple to use. You get some extra money really as easy as 1, 2, 3. So you earn credit. So complete as many tasks as you can. Hot offers, the hot offers tab, the tasks vary, and we'll be watching videos, sharing and completing surveys. We recommend checking out offers stated as hot, and they provide high credits. Now, cashing out is very easy as well. Once you have your credit balance, which is also displayed in the top corner of the screen, when you have enough cash, you can then check out at the payouts tab. And you do this by literally requesting a payout. You can choose a payment provider from the list where you would like the reward to actually go. And they do actually pay out via PayPal, or you've obviously got gift cards as well. So you can enjoy your money. Payouts take around 3 days, including the weekend public holidays, and are paid directly into your account you have actually chosen, and we'll notify you through the app once the payment is completed, and then you can enjoy your money. So as you can see here, it's available on Apple Store. And if we go across to Apple Store here, it's obviously free to download, and it's got ratings of 4.9 with 147,000 reviews. So it says here it is the #1 rewards app to get paid fast, complete easy tasks and get paid cash. Now, if you want to go through some of the actual reviews here, you can do so. But like I say, the only hitch I've got is that I haven't got an Apple device, so I can't download this and show you inside the actual app. But a lot of people have asked me about it, so I thought I'd go a quick review video. Minimum payout is $5, so you've got to reach that $5 threshold before you can access your payouts. But other than that, it's pretty simple. Like I say, you're just going to be doing small tasks. You're not going to get paid an awful lot of money for these tasks, and you're going to have to do quite a few tasks in order to reach that $5 limit. But that said, it's a very, very simple, very easy app to use, and you can obviously earn extra cash on the side every single month. Now, if you're looking for something else that's going to get you even more money, then why not try affiliate marketing? I use affiliate marketing, and I've earned thousands of dollars through affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn that and start for free, then check out the link in the description below here, which is my #1 recommended way of actually earning cash. You can sign up for free. You can take a look around. You can go through the free training, and this will get you up and running and start earning your affiliate commissions from day one. Okay, I trust you found this useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.